Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the Wilcoxon rank sum test, a powerful non-parametric test used to compare two independent groups. If you're working with data that is not normally distributed or has outliers, this test is for you. By the end of this video, you will understand what the Wilcoxon rank sum test is, when to use it, and how to perform it in R. Let's get started. The Wilcoxon rank sum test, also known as the Mann-Whitney test, is a non-parametric alternative to the independent sample t-test. It compares the distribution of two independent groups to see if their means significantly differs. So we make use of this test when our data is not normally distributed. Alright, so quickly let's go to R. So this is my R already. For us to perform this test, we would have to install and load these packages. So quickly, let us import our data. Now our data is simply a data of two groups and their test scores. So here is my data. Let me just import it in R. Alright, so it's imported in R. Then I'll check for omitted values. Alright, then quickly I'll perform a Shapiro test to check whether my data is normally distributed or not. Okay, so let me just so the codes are already inserted in my R. So at the end of the tutorial, I will drop the code down the description so you can go there and get it, in case you need them for your own practice. So this Ctrl Enter, then I'll print it, Ctrl Enter. So now this is the result for the Shapiro Wilk normality test. So here the p-value here is less than 0.05. This is telling us that our distribution, our data does not follow a normal distribution. So for Shapiro Wilk normality test, in my previous video I've talked about how to interpret this particular test for normality. So since our p-value is less than 0.05, we are going to it suggests that our data does not follow a normal distribution. So we are going to also do a Kolmogorov-Smirnov test to see what it will give us as well. So that is the code. Ctrl Enter, then print the result. So you see here for the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, the p-value here is also still less than 0.05. So we are this is also telling us that our data does not follow a normal distribution. So having shown that our data does not follow a normal distribution, we can actually use a histogram to see this. Okay, so this is the code. Like I said, at the end of this tutorial, I will drop the code down the description box so you can go there and get it for yourself. So Ctrl Enter, and let's see how this goes. So okay, let's go back and do this. All right, okay, so that we can interpret this. All right, so this is our histogram. You would see that the histogram is more to the left. Okay, so for our data to be normally distributed, that is to say, it will be like a bell curve shape. Okay, so but you can see it from here. So our data is showing clearly that our data is not normally distributed. So you can also see here from the QQ plots here that our data here tends to deviate. All right, as it goes up, it deviates from this blue line here. Okay, suggesting that our data also does not follow a normal distribution. So after ascertaining all this, doing all these tests to check that to show that our data is not normally distributed, we can now perform a Wilcoxon test. Okay, so remember, a Wilcoxon test is performed when our data is not normally distributed. So now let's do that. This is the code for it. Ctrl Enter. Then we print. All right, so here is the result. So from our Wilcoxon rank sum test from the p-value, you would observe that the p-value is less than 0.05, telling us that there is a significant difference. All right, so there is a significant difference between the test score of both groups. So there's a difference between the test score for those in group A, the first group, and also against those in the second group. So this is how you do a Wilcoxon rank-sum test. If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section. If you need me to throw more clarification, you can also drop your concern in the comment section, and I'll do well to reply you. If you need assistance with your project work, you can also drop your concern in the comment section, and I'll do well to give you a quick feedback. So thank you very much. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe. Okay, this would also help me to make more videos. Also share with your friends, and don't forget to tell somebody about this video. All right, thank you very much.